Tires came for the Brompton pink bike that we were going to put on hopefully today, but they sent us the wrong size. Alright, hey guys, welcome back. My name is Shu. I don't know if I've ever told you my name, but please call me Shu. Tannus Tires, they sent the right size this time. I sent back the old ones that were incorrect, and they actually sent these out even before I sent them. So I can say, at least from my experience, that they have good customer experience. All right. So we got 4 of them. 2 of these I've just bought for extra because I may be buying extra rims, or you know, just to have them, and they're actually having a 15% off sale. All right. Today we're going to be installing the red ones, and you can see the tire size here. This is the correct tire size. It says 18 here, 18 by 1.25, and the 16 by 1.25 here. Also, these tires actually have a direction because the treads have a direction, so make sure you put them on the right way. Well, the first step will be to remove the old rims off the bike, and then we can get started. We actually have the Brompton tool. All right, so we're just gonna take out this thing and use this. All right. Now, if you actually have one of these, you got to be very careful with these. You see the direction switch here. You want to make sure it's engaged either to the left or to the right all the way, okay? I actually, this is the second one I've owned because the first one actually, I snapped the pin on this because it wasn't fully engaged. But the bike shop, Nice Wheels, they actually replaced it for me for free. And it's a shame that they're not around anymore. Tube out. Right, so that's the old tube, that's the tire, and you got to take off the rim tape as well. Old stuff is gonna be hard to do. Let's see. Don't give me a thumbs down for this. Come on. All right, it's about 4 ounces. 4.1. All right. All right, and then the tire with the little things. Ooh, 2.6, 2.5, 2.6. All right, so yeah. Looks like the Tannuses are lighter, so there's a plus too. Ooh, look at that. This tire has been pinched the whole time, and it actually held. I mean, it looks like it looks pretty funny. Okay, so the next step is to select which kind of which size of these pins you're going to use. I think we're going to use the, let's see, I think the blue ones. The blue ones say 22.5, 23, and Oh, 21.5. Maybe it was this one. Let me see. Actually, yeah, it's gonna be this one. So you take these things and you just want to do a test fit. Make sure you got the right size. Stick it in sideways like this in here, and you want to see if it'll fit. It's actually kind of hard to do by hand. All right, let me put that in there. Actually, I need better tools. Oh my god. All right. It's gonna work like that. All right, so if it fits in like that, you should be all right. We just first put these in like this and use the tool. This tool actually comes with it, which is very nice. And you start putting them in all the way around. So we got all the pins in, and the next part is the hardest part. All right. So the best way we found to do this is we're gonna have one person pushing down like this, and the other person will use these two tire levers and get the tire on the rest of the way. All right, so we can leave it like that. All right, let's go. All right, so now do this one. Nice, okay. I'll hold this one and then just do that one. Almost there. Nice, all right. All right, just like that, okay? And then these actually can be pulled out easily once you get it on. All right. And that's the hardest part. Okay. And then you simply continue working your way around. All right, this is actually pretty easy once you get the tire on. Okay, so you're just grabbing the clip and squeezing. You're squeezing this way. This way the clip goes down into it. All right. And for the most part, you'll hear a nice click. Oops. Like this. Like just like that. And then you can squeeze the tire in just so it sits nicely like that. Finished both tires, and I'm actually tired, but at least we got it done. All right, so now the last step is to put them back onto the bike. What do you guys think? You like the color? I would say it took us about a good 30 minutes each tire to finish because you know, it's time consuming, but it's definitely doable. And if you like these tires, they actually have them in all different types of colors. All right, so yeah, that's it for today. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Hopefully we'll be continuing to upgrade these bikes, and we would really appreciate if you you know, leave comments and stuff like that. All right.